The Facial Nerve Clinic was established in 2016, and the intention is to treat holistically patients with movement disorders of the face. What that means is there's patients with things like facial paralysis, where the face doesn't move from multiple different reasons, from stroke, Bell's palsy, Ramsay-Hunt, tumors, trauma, etc. So it's not just treating an illness, it's treating a person, treating the emotional toll that comes with living with this type of deformity or debilitating facial movement lifelong. So this is the only clinic of its type in central Pennsylvania, and there's really only a handful of these types of complex, advanced, multidisciplinary facial nerve clinics in the country. If you can imagine your inability to give social cues because of your facial movements or asymmetries, to restore function, and seeing someone who maybe has not smiled in many years and giving them the ability to smile and function, or seeing a child who is born with a paralysis who's never smiled in their life develop a smile, that is one of the most emotional and rewarding things that I do.